Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in today. We're going to show you a countertop using a black base with titanium highlights. We also used a gold dispersion effect that really ties it all together. If your countertops need an upgrade, visit our website today.
I'm getting ready to apply the base coat. When you guys get to this step, you're obviously gonna have your counters prepped, plastics down. We already have our primer on. We're gonna take our base coat, already been mixed up, and we're gonna pour it right down the middle. Real quick guys, make sure you subscribe to our channel and you click the bell button so you get notified every time we launch a new video.
Hey guys, that was Kid 17. If you're looking to upgrade your countertops, click on the link in the description below to purchase your kits today. Don't forget, subscribe to our channel, click on that notification bell so you don't miss a single video. We'll see you guys next time.